everyone, welcome to my garden. This is Karen. So today I will be showing you how I propagate my dahlias from the cutting that I took from them. So I like pinching my dahlias to encourage more blooms, and they became, bushier. Like this one, I pinched that already. I don't know if you can see there. And then the one that I pinch, that I took from the top, or the top cutting, I propagate them so I can replace the ones that didn't make it. Like this one here, you can see. So those one died, of course, so I'm gonna replace them. And this one, I planted that today. That's all well rooted. So I'm going to show you the step-by-step process how I did it. So instead of throwing away the top cutting that you know from your pinching the dahlias, why not propagate them? So I will show you what I did. So by the way, this is at the back of my greenhouse, because inside my greenhouse is very hot. In there I still have to put my exhaust fan, my shade cloth and all that. So this is where I put the dahlia cuttings. You see, it is bright, but it's no direct sunlight. If you can see, this is it's about 11 o'clock in the morning or noontime. So you see, during the day it's bright, warm, but not too hot like inside the greenhouse. So this is actually a perfect spot for them. So this is where I've been putting my propagation cuttings. So I put them in the tray, the seedling tray, and then I use this seed starting mix and put them in the flats, and then I'm just going to water them, wet the soil like so. That should be hopefully good. And then we're gonna need a sharp blade, clean blade like this one, preferably not rusty, but this is what I got right now. This is what I've been using anyway. So